Listen to me, Frank. You are already making excuses.
Mom, please, just stop it. It's not about me making excuses, okay? It's about you trying to propagate some kind of problem where there's not. There's no situation in here. You're just starting something that is not.
Is your wife barren? Why can't you say it in clear terms?
Mom, what is all this? Listen, Mom, look, if this phone call is about you gaslighting my wife, I'm sorry, I'll just have to drop the call right now.
And cut the call. Just go ahead and cut the call, Frank. What are you waiting for? Is this the first time?
We've only been married, okay? 1 year, 3 months. 1 year, 3 months is not like forever. Come on now, give us some slack. Come on, cut some slack for us.
Is it not already beginning to seem like it's real forever?
Mom, you know what? Mom, I just have... I'm sorry, I have to go. Yeah, I have to go right now. Yeah, I have to go. Yeah, this woman.
What is your mother up to again?
Honey, please stop. I mean, she was just trying to,
I know what she was trying to.
Honey, please, okay? Just ignore my mother. Ignore her.
I can't ignore her. She's already worried about our childlessness.
Well, that's her own problem. Okay, she's the only one just being worried. That's her problem, okay? Children will come at the right time. But they have their timing.
It's wrong. I know you know it is wrong. We've been married for 1 year and 3 months and I have not even given you one child.
Honey, can you just stop? Ignore my mother, please.
Just say it. Say it. You agree with her.
Honey, can you just stop this, please?
No, stop it.
Honey, please, just... No. Can you stop this?
Just say it out.
Say what?
You agree with the motion.
Look, I don't agree with nothing, okay? And I don't care what anybody says. I don't care about what my mother says or anybody. You're my wife. You're mine. And like I said, children have their timing and they will come at the right time and ours will come. So stop this. Stop it. Stop. Okay? You're gonna eat. Like right now?
No.
You will?
No.
Yes. You will?
No.
Open up.
No.
Open up. Right now. Right now. I love you, baby. Come on.
I love you. Happiness!
That's why I prefer the Dr. Brown way.
And what is the Dr. Brown's way?
Get them pregnant before you get married. That way after the wedding, everybody's happy.
In as much as that sounded good, you look so dumb to me right now.
Okay. Your very prolific way, how's that turning out? No, come on.
What now?
I think it's ridiculous now. Huh?
Look, to tell you the truth, yeah? See my mom? The woman is a headache. She's become so unwavering with regards to this issue. She's become too unbearable, I tell you.
Yeah, but don't blame her. She's an African mother. You know, they get inquisitive when things like this happen now.
What are you talking about? No, what are you talking about? I mean, there are families, okay? There are couples, actually. Couples who have been married for years. I'm talking about 5 years, 10 years without children. And they get no backlashes from their family. No.
Okay.
Okay.
If you insist on having an opinion, I would just advise you to start building a second house in your compound. Simple as that.
And what of it for?
To get a second wife, of course.
Man, stop this. You know I don't want no second wife. What are you talking about?
Yeah, but your mother doesn't think so now.
Seriously, yeah? Look, dude, seriously. You're my best friend, okay? You're my best friend, you're my guy. I need something from you. I need an idea. Because my mother has become a headache. She's become a pain. Seriously, with regards to this thing, it's too much for me. Serious.
You don't blame her, do you? You may think it's just a few months. Before you know it, it's 2 years, it's 5 years, it's 10 years, and they start chasing shadows. So hey, think about it. If you had come to me earlier, the Dr. Brown way would have been perfect.
Look, I'm not even for jokes. Stop it, man. This is a serious thing right now. I'm telling you, man. Look.
I can't even recommend anything. I don't know what you guys are doing. I don't know.
That one has become too much, I'm telling you.
I'm on your mom's side, I don't blame her.
You're on her side?
Yeah.
My mother-in-law thinks that kids or children grow on trees. You could just go there and plug it.
She expects you to get pregnant the same way she get pregnant for your husband.
But Frank and I, we are doing our best.
Your best isn't good enough. It's just not good enough.
What?
I don't know. Maybe there's something you did or that is causing you to not get pregnant. I don't know.
If anyone had told me that having kids now in my life and in my marriage will be a problem, I would not believe it. When I was with Prince, I got pregnant twice. Yes, I aborted it because he was a jerk. And just before Frank and I crossed paths, I was with Simon. You know this, I got pregnant.
Yes.
Kate, I regret those abortions. Just look at me now. Just look at my life.
Wait, are you sure this is not linked to all the abortion experiences?
Oh, I am fine. I have all the test results. I am okay. And I keep doing more tests and it keeps saying I am perfectly okay.
If you're okay and your husband is okay, then what is the problem?
The problem is exactly the problem.
It's okay, it's okay. Everything is going to be okay.
Hey.
Hey, darling.
Oh, come here. Come here. Oh. Come here. Remember how my mom used to pick on you for not getting pregnant immediately after the wedding?
Oh my God. Your mom nearly got me crazy.
That's the same way Ella's feeling right now.
Wait. Frank's mom is already getting on her nerves.
Oh my goodness, that's all she talks about. Talks about the situation all the time.
What? Frank and Ella have just been married for like, what? 2 years?
Yeah.
There's no cause for alarm.
Huh.
Well, anyways, you're the doctor, so maybe you can help them out.
I'm trying. I'm trying to.
Yeah, you should.
She already thinks Ella's barren.
What?
Uh-huh.
Why?
That's why I prefer the Dr. Brown's way.
Dr. Brown's way? What's the Dr. Brown's way? What?
Nothing.
No, tell me what.
Nothing.
But you just said the Dr. Brown's way, so
Just enjoy the massage and give me your foot.
I don't want a
No
massage.
stuff, you know I love it.
What's the Dr. Brown's way?
I'll tell you when we're...
No, tell me.
I'll tell you later.
One,
I'll tell you later.
2.
I'll tell you later.
3.
Yeah, bro, listen. You don't need to think too much about it. I'm sure she has a valid reason. I know what you're saying, I understand perfectly, but I'm sure she has a valid reason. Yeah. Alright, man. Hey.
Okay.
What's up? How you doing?
Good.
You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man. Frank's mom is really making Ella's life miserable.
What did you do this time?
Oh, she said she wants to bring Frank a second wife.
Wait, what? She said that?
Yeah.
Why would she even say that? On whose permission? Wait, don't tell me Frank is taking sides with her.
Oh, babe, hold on. Why are you upset?
No, because it's actually annoying. It's getting me erratic. I don't understand. Why can't she just be reasonable? Who says that this woman would never bear children?
Calm down, you're overreacting.
I'm overreacting?
Yeah.
If this were to be Frank in Ella's shoes, you will take his side.
No, well, Frank is never going to let his mom bring a second wife.
Whatever. Excuse me, please.
Hey, what's going on? Why are you getting so... Are you serious? Wow. Oh, okay.
Mama, I seriously don't appreciate you calling my wife and making her uncomfortable. You have to stop it. I am happily married to my wife and will appreciate you stopping this thing you're doing. Stop it. Stop it. We don't want this energy. No. Mama, you know what? Please just stay where you are, stay in your lane and let myself and my wife be. Yes. We are happily married and we're fine. Thank you. Thank you. This has to stop. It has to stop. Please. Mama, I gotta go. Please.
Yes, I am there. I told you not to worry, yeah? Yes, I've had my life and discussed everything with your father. Now, the moment I'm done discussing with my son, we will come to do your bride price. Is that okay? So relax, relax. Yes. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
Now, why are you in the house? You're supposed to be in your place of work. Are you not?
Mama, I guess you've forgotten today's weekend. I don't go to work on weekends. Actually, I went to a friend's house. I forgot something and I came to pick it up.
And why are you wearing this long face? Smile some, son. Smile.
Mama, why are you here?
Why am I here?
No, why didn't you tell me you were coming, actually?
Since when did I need to apply, fill forms, and take permission from your secretary before coming to your house?
That's not what I meant, and you know.
How else will you tell me that I'm not welcome in your house?
Mama, in as much as I didn't mean what you're just trying to imply right now, but the only right thing is you should have told me so that I can have heads up that you were coming. You could have given me a hint or a message. Happiness.
Sir. Sir.
Come here.
Welcome, sir.
Did Mama make her own food?
Yes, sir, and it smells nice.
Shut up. And you allowed her to serve it?
No, she said she wanted... Mama, say something now. She said she wanted to cook it herself. Ask her.
You can get back to your work.
Okay, sir.
You know what? Just go. Go.
Sir, I'm still...
I said go to your quarters.
Sorry, sir.
Right now.
Just look. Your wife even has a house help. What for? What is the house help doing in this house right now, beyond or after, that your wife cannot do? It's not as if she has a baby that the house help will babysit to enable her go to work. Wastage, if you ask me. Yes.
Mama, you know what? Finish your food. When I go, I'll come back. We'll talk. Excuse me, Mama. Seriously now. Speaking of which, I heard you talking to somebody and you were saying you were going to pay something, and my question is, who is that person and where is that person coming to?
My son, that was Ujungwa, the only daughter of Ichie Ndukwe. She just finished her youth service and came back to the village to stay briefly with her father. She's looking so elegant, beautiful, homely, and it's something great.
Well, you answered the first question, not the second one. The second one, which is, where is she coming to? Where is she actually going? What's the plan?
The plan?
Yes.
She will make a wonderful wife for you, son. She will.
Well, I don't know if you have another son, okay? But if it's this one, no. Maybe she is for your other son, not for me. I don't need any wife.
Arrive here and just barge in like that without knocking?
Because this is my son's house. I walked through thick the bones to see him through school. Hence, I can come to his house any day, anytime, and whenever I choose. Get it down your head.
Mama, this is my matrimonial room. The least you would have done was just to knock. What if I was probably naked or something?
Naked, you said? Why are you afraid of my seeing your nakedness? After all, you are a woman like me, are you not? More so, my son's wife. Or are you scared of the fact that you are too manly and too barren to give children to my son?
Please excuse me.
Excuse yourself. Dry rich, barren, no children. He is my only child. Leave if you can't give him children. This is just the beginning. Just relax. My son is going to marry you. It's a done deal. You don't have to worry about anything.
Mama, seriously, what do you think you're doing?
What do you think you're doing?
How come? I thought you used to come back same time with Ella. So how come you're...
Look, this is not the subject matter, okay? What do you think you're doing? What is the plan? Why are you body shaming my wife?
I knew she was going to gossip about me to you when you're back.
You know what? This is not about her. It's about you, okay? This is me asking you questions. I mean, what is really going on? What are you doing?
I don't really understand you. About me?
Yes.
Am I the one barren?
Please, for the obstinate time, Mama, my wife is not barren. My wife is not barren, please.
If your wife is not barren, then get her pregnant. And you should give me grandchildren.
Well, children will come at their time, okay? Children will come at their own time. They have their own timings and they will come. You're not God.
Big fat lie. She has succeeded in pushing it down your throat and you believe it. Listen, I was pregnant with you before your father finished the marriage rites.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And you did tell me that you were very active in church and you told me you were born again, so that means you committed fornication. That's what we're talking about here. That's what you did.
The most important thing was that I was pregnant, Frank. And I am already making plans.
You're not making plans for anything, okay? Your plan will not work. That your plan, forget about it because it's never going to work.
How dare you talk to me that way?
Mama, what I'm trying to tell you is this, okay? You're trespassing. Right now you're trespassing. Really, you are.
Hey. So I'm no longer welcome in your house because of that barren woman.
My wife is not barren, okay? My wife is not barren. Now, I'm going to say this. You see this visit? I never invited you. So please, please, stay away from my wife. I won't say it again. Stay away from my wife. I won't say it again.
So I'm no longer welcomed in my son's house because of a barren woman. Is it wrong to ask for grandchildren? Hi.
Baby, why would you speak to her like that now? Why?
No, why wouldn't I? Please, just stop this hard thing. What's with this? What's that? What's that?
See, you have to go and apologize to your mother.
Apologize for what? I thought you told me that she was body shaming you.
But that was for your consumption now.
I couldn't eat it alone. Yes.
Has it got into this point where you no longer regard your mother?
The truth of the matter is that you don't know my mother. Once she does anything and you go to apologize, she will do worse. Trust me. She will hit back at you. The clap back you wouldn't believe.
Me, I'm going to apologize, so...
You're not going anywhere.
I'm going.
You're not. I said you're not going anywhere.
I'm going. Mama? Mama, please, can I come in? I want to speak to you. Mama? Mama? Mama, please, can I speak to you? Happiness! Happiness!
What is wrong with this woman? Happiness! Happiness! Did you see her there?
We have searched everywhere and she's nowhere to be found.
No, seriously, I don't understand. Why would this woman leave this house at the middle of the night? What is all this?
And you know this is not the first time she's doing this.
Exactly. Last time I went looking out. Oh man, last time it was 4 a.m. I found her on the streets because she was angry. I don't understand why my mom just keeps doing this nonsense. I really don't know.
And it's not safe. It's past midnight. These are dangerous times. Why would she do this?
Sometimes when they get old, they start to behave like children. Seriously. Then I have to go look for this woman once again. I had to do that. Go get me the car key.
Me, I'm going with you.
No, you're not going with me.
I'm going with you.
No, you're not.
I'm coming.
You're staying home.
Until you to rest now. It's night already.
Go home, my friend.
Me, I'll go with you.
You're not going anywhere, please. I don't know why this woman just wants to frustrate me. I don't understand why. The old woman, you behave like a child.
Where's Mama?
No.
Hey.
I mean, I made a report at the police station and then they said I should come back tomorrow. You know, they have to wait for 24 hours to properly declare her missing since she's an adult.
Hey, so where's Mama now?
Oga, welcome, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Mama is inside, though.
What? What did you just say?
Mama is inside. She's the one that asked me to come and bring water for her. Sorry, I forgot to tell you.
Where did you go? I mean, you got us worried. Where did you go?
Baby, calm down.
What do you mean I should calm down? What are you saying?
You know your mother can be mischievous sometimes.
Exactly. She's too mischievous for her age. Why would she be doing that? No, for what reason? Why would she be that mischievous? Why would she leave in the middle of the night? I mean, just take our hopes and our hearts to the cliff and next thing come back and she switch off her phone. Why would she do that? I mean, can you imagine? Unannounced.
I think you should speak to her and know what she wants. That's all.
Are you ready for what she wants?
Baby, you both need to talk. Mother to son.
Okay, why don't you go talk to her mother-in-law to daughter-in-law? Why don't you do that?
Abba, are you trying to make this weird?
Because we know what she wants. What are you talking about? We know what this woman wants. She wants to drive me into getting another wife. That's what she wants to do.
What's the worst that can happen?
What did you just say?
Baby, all I'm saying is, I don't want anything to happen to your mother's mental health.
No, please forget about her mental health. That woman is fine. Please, she knows what she's doing. What do you mean by that?
Okay, if that be the case, what are you now saying?
What I'm saying is, whatever you're thinking should stop. Stop. That your mindset right now should stop. Because that means my mother is winning. Okay? She wants me to get another wife. What are you thinking about? What are you saying? My mother will offend you. She will guilt trip you to doing whatever she wants. So please, I'm telling you right now, it should stop. I'm not getting another wife. Let it stop. Stop thinking that way. Stop it. Please. She should get another wife.
Mama, good morning.
What are you doing?
I am cooking for my auntie.
Cooking for your auntie. Which of your aunties? Does my son's kitchen look like your father's house or that barren woman like any of your siblings?
Mama, your own don't do too much. You are an old woman and you have children.
Get out of my kitchen. Get out! Let me see you in the kitchen again. Useless housemaid. You're cooking for your barren auntie.
Happiness! Happiness! Where is the food I asked you to prepare?
It was Mama that came to the kitchen and pushed me out.
It's okay. It's okay. You know what?
Ma,
don't worry. When I get to the office, I'll get something else to eat. But please, make sure when she's done in the kitchen, you prepare something for my husband to eat, okay?
But Ma, why are you always keeping quiet for that woman?
That's my mother-in-law. Keep quiet.
Who is your mother-in-law?
Good morning, Ma.
I ask again, who is your mother-in-law?
Mama, let me tell you something. My madam is just keeping quiet for you. It's not like you have...
Shut Are you mad or something?
Mama,
How dare you?
Happiness.
Go to your room. Don't move.
Ebelebe.
Hey.
Mama, please, it's still very early in the morning. I don't think we need this drama in this house, please.
Drama, you call it?
Yes, Mama.
So it has reached you, standing tall with me in my son's house, talking to me anyhow, and even inciting that stupid house girl of yours to talk to me, to insult me.
No, Ma, I would never do that. Mama, please, I'm very sorry for everything that just happened right now, but I need to go to work. Please, Ma.
You're talking of going to work. Which work are you going to? Which work? You're going to work. Okay, go to work now. You can't prepare food for your husband. You can't give my son children. You're going to work. Go to work and let's see.
Is this the worst you can do?
Oh.
Is this the worst you can do?
Oh, you want to see the worst I can do? Yes. Yes! Go to work. You want to see the worst I can do? I will smash this your head. Good for nothing woman. You came here just wasting my son's money. No children, you can't even cook, you can't clean the house. You have a housemaid. Doing what? You brought in a housemaid to do all the chores you're supposed to be doing. It's not as if you had a child to say, okay, the housemaid is now taking care of the child so you can go to work. Useless thing. Ask me again. The worst I can do.
Baby, you alright? How was your day? Hey? Hey? Wait, who did this? Huh? Who did this? Downstairs? Like mom? She did this to you? For what? Huh? For what?
Come back, please.
What? No, seriously? Huh? No, have you gone out of your mind? What was this? Why would you touch my wife? No, for what reason? No, what reason would you touch my wife? For what? Why would you do that?
How dare you talk to me like that? Are you mad? Are you mad? Oh, you want to hit me? Oh yeah, hit me. Frank, beat me because of that your good for nothing wife. Barren 3. Hit me. Hit me. In short, hit me. Alright, stop beating me. Hit me very well. Mama. Hit me. Frank, Mama. You must hit me today. She sent you down to come and hit me. Hit me. Beat me. How dare you? You know what I went through to send you to school? Because of that thing up there. You want to hit me? Hit me. You will not leave your tea. Hit me.
Please, take this with your mom. She'll help you sort it out. That was too much for me. Why they look my boy like that? You gonna do have your own son.
I better go sit down for thinking when you resemble you. They talk nonsense.
What did you just say?
Hey, why are you talking to him?
Stay out of this.
He was just joking now.
What did you just say?
Come on, Helen. Come on. Myself and Brown were just joking.
No. I take exceptions to such petty and expensive thoughts. What's all this?
Hey.
Wait, do you know what it means to have a child? Or a son?
Why are you talking to Frank like that? This is our friend.
Your friend. He just called me a prostitute. No, he said my son doesn't look like you. In other words, I'm a prostitute, right?
No, you're making a mountain out of a molehill, babe.
Oh, yes. Your friend is impotent. I'm married to a woman who...
No, don't do that.
Yes, he is impotent. We all know that.
Helen.
And he's married to a woman who is barren. He should not even try to spew by any chance of imagination about anything concerning myself and my son. He shouldn't try it.
Stop!
To a married woman, we know that. Listen, Frank or whatever you call your name, I will not take this rubbish, okay? Arrant ignorance from someone who doesn't even have a child.
Helen.
I won't take it.
Listen. Helen, go inside.
You stand here and watch your so-called friend call your wife a prostitute and you side him? I knew it. I knew you side him. Whatever. Don't you ever try it.
Yeah. Go. Sorry about that. Frank. Hey, dude. Frank.
It's all good, man.
Frank. Frank.
You mean that stupid girl said all that to you? She was indeed lucky that I was not there. I would have torn her to pieces. But we won't blame her. All these things are happening because your wife is not able to give you even a child.
Hi, baby.
Look at you, calling a full-grown man baby. How dare you? That's why you have refused to give him an actual baby. Even a child!
So she got to you?
No one got to anybody.
Mama, please, I beg you. Leave my husband and I alone, please.
Look at you. Leave my husband and I alone. Do you know the embarrassment your husband got today because of you? All because of you. Give her the details. Oh, you don't want to talk. Now listen. the Browns, in short, Brown's wife, so insulted and embarrassed my son. Poured a heap, in short, a drum load of mud on his face just because of your inability to conceive and give him a child. Because of their little child, Jamel.
But I didn't tell Helen to insult my husband. Besides, I would never.
It's okay, it's alright.
You would never. You did! Yes, you did! You did when you have refused to give him a child.
Mama, please!
Shut up! Don't yell at me! You don't dare it or I'll slap the hell out of you.
Please.
Have I designed your face before? You don't try me. You're welcome, my son. Thank you for you. Who else do I have? So you have to be ready, well prepared. I'll tell her father that you'll be coming in next week.
Not a problem. But Mama, please, I seriously hope she can cook. It's very important.
She is a wonderful cook.
Okay.
You know what? You left a beautiful, fruitful garden and decided to settle with an arid, barren desert.
Please. I mean, we all make mistakes, okay? Please. So, like I said, we have to still make sure that
Frank has finally taken sides with his mother to blame me for all of this.
Are you surprised? Because I'm not surprised. It was just a matter of time and his mother buy him over. Look, this is why I've been telling you that you should take action so that you will not be in my shoes.
What are you talking about?
As I speak to you now, my husband and his mother are already making plans to come in with a second wife.
Stefan is way smarter than that. He won't do that.
He clearly isn't.
Wait. Has he forgotten he's the reason why you lost your womb in the first place?
It's obvious that he has forgotten. That is why I don't want you to get in the same shoes as I am.
I am already in your shoes.
What are you talking about?
Frank's mother is arranging another wife for him.
What?
Yes.
You can't be serious.
Babe, good morning. Why didn't you wake me up now? Yeah? Babe. For days now you've been ignoring me. I'm talking to you. Why are you making me look so desperate?
What did he do?
He's killing me with his loud silence.
He's not speaking to you?
No. He's been ghosting me for 3 weeks now.
Ghost him back now?
I can't do that. I can't do that. I love my husband.
That same feeling that I think is not reciprocated.
Frank loves me, okay? We're just going through a rough patch and that's all.
But that is mother. That is wicked and cranky mother. I swear, if that woman was my mother-in-law, I would have given her poison.
Jesus Christ.
Don't Jesus Christ me. Look, I'm just saying this to make you feel better. I'll never do that. Come on, stop crying, okay? Don't cry again. It's okay. It's okay. Everything is going to be okay. Okay?
Okay.
Don't cry.
Hi, baby. Food is almost ready. I made... Babe. Baby, please, can I talk to you? Babe, there is no need for this ghosting. There is no need for this silent treatment. I have accepted my fate. If you want to take another wife, you can. I support you. And if you want to be with your second wife all by yourself and you want me out of this place, I'll go. Whatever you decide, I respect it. But please, there's no need for this treatment, please. I love my husband and I'll do anything that makes you happy. Frank.
I don't care what anybody thinks. I do not care. Yes, I said it, I don't care. If even you yourself, you said it. You said I'm not getting any younger. So what are we talking about here? Brown, answer me. Where can I get a child? No, tell me, where can I get a child? Listen, Brown, there's no need dissuading me. Don't even try, okay? Like I said, I've thought this hard and I've made my decision and I'm standing by it. I'm doing it. Don't even try because you're going to fail. I've made my point. Yeah, Mama. I'm actually on my way out. Don't worry. I'll send money. I'll send money for the introduction. Yes. No. The date still has to be this weekend. This weekend. Good. Look, Mama, please. I want champagne too. Don't tell me elders don't take champagne. I want nothing but the best of drinks, please. Please, very important. Very important. Exactly.
Ella, I've been thinking. Not that I'm doubting you, but have you tried confirming with another doctor?
Confirm what?
You said you did all the tests and it came out clean, right?
Yes. And I have the results and the records.
That's not the point.
And what is the point? Do you think I'm making this up?
No, that's not what I mean. I just think you should check another doctor. You check another hospital. It may be different.
No, seriously, Brown, what are you saying? All of this is my fault. Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm not saying it's your fault.
Then what?
I'm just saying, as your guy and your doctor, this is the one thing that we've never checked. So we might as well do it. We just need to be sure.
No, seriously. See, this whole thing is just... It's ridiculous, I'm telling you. Because I just wish, back in the day when we were in school, I should have just... I don't know. I wish I had a kid then,
Yes. And you wish, but you never did. And I know who you were in school. You never had a child, so hey.
Look, seriously. What are you really saying? Because are you saying I can never, ever get my wife pregnant?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
Then what?
But we are both here. We've never checked before.
Yeah.
We're in the hospital. Let's just do this for the record so we will know. On that note, I'm going to give you a cup. A little cup.
Cup?
Yes,
for what?
For the test.
What has cup got to do with the test?
Well, it's just part of the tools that you need. I'll give you a cup, and there's a private room that I've prepared for you, and play a really nice colored movie, and make yourself at home.
You're joking, right?
No, that's what we need for the test.
No, seriously, you're joking.
No, I'm not. So, what's your colored movie preference?
But the result shows you're okay.
Give it back to me.
Are you sure Frank is not the problem?
Frank is not the problem. I just feel everything has its time. Maybe God is not ready to give us babies.
I think Frank is the problem. I think he's the problem.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Nothing.
Frank, we need to talk. I know you can hear me. And I think it is high time we talk about what the problem is exactly. I have gone for another checkup. And the results show that I am...
It's my fault. Shows that it's my fault, right?
So this particular conversation woke you up?
No, so what are you trying to say? What are you saying? No, what are you trying to prove? That everything is my fault, right? It's
All
not my fault.
I am saying is that I have gone for tests and I am perfectly okay. You say that you are perfectly okay. No wahala. Maybe it is not time for God to give us babies. Like they say, God's time is the best. So let's not overstep it. Let's not overdo it.
This woman, I need to sleep.
No wahala. You can sleep. All I want to make clear here is that I am okay. And you said you are okay. So it's whatever you put inside of me, I will bring out. Know that and no peace. Good night.
So what did she say?
I mean, she said that she, had, gone through some tests, and she had been doing that, a couple of times just to make sure, and she did one recently.
Okay, so?
What do you mean by so? No, what's she trying to prove? I mean, I don't understand what she's trying to say. She's trying to, tell me in some kind of way, sarcastically, just to go get myself checked. Like I don't know.
It's sound advice. Why are you upset?
Why would I be upset? What are you talking about?
And technically, she's not actually saying that. She's just saying that she's clean, she's tested herself and all that. So you need to do yours so you can be on the same page. It's no big deal.
I don't understand. I don't know what she's trying to prove, really. I don't.
Calm down.
I don't.
Calm down, bro. Calm down. Let's take a look at that.
Man, what is this?
It's test results. Remember we ran some blood tests on you the other day?
Yeah, blood tests after you told me some stupid thing about some colored movie in the private room and cops or what?
I was messing with you. But those are the results of the tests that we ran.
Can you just break this down for me? Because I don't understand this negative I'm seeing here. What was this all about?
I'll break it down. The tests show that you have something called testicular failure.
What did you say?
I
don't understand. What are you saying? Because I know I'm shooting, okay? Yes. I'm shooting. I'm making it happen in the bedroom. So what are you saying?
I'll break it down. Layman terms. Simplest way possible. Testicular failure occurs when your testicles are not producing sperm or male hormones such as testosterone. So it's equivalent to you shooting blanks. That sort of thing.
Are you saying I could be responsible for us not having children?
According to the test we ran, yes.
Mama, please, we just have to suspend everything. Yes, let's suspend everything. Well, there's actually something I'm planning. Yes. Mama, please. I see you got my message.
Yes. Did you send it because you still don't want to speak to me?
Look, well, I sent it because I just didn't know how to face you.
It's okay. There's nothing to worry about. I'm okay with everything.
You're okay with what?
With your new wife. She's going to be here anytime soon, right?
New wife? There's no new wife anywhere.
What's that supposed to mean?
That's what I'm saying. I mean, I don't want a new wife.
I thought that was what you and your mother have been trying to do.
Look, just stop. Seriously, stop. Look. There's no new wife. Just you. I'm sorry.
I know. Sincerely, I have never been this confused. Frank, he sent me an apology text message.
Maybe he's just sorry.
Or maybe he's trying to get me to be in my best behavior to accept that his new wife.
Was that what the message said?
No. I'm just confused.
Or maybe you're just looking too deep into the message.
Frank that I know will not send that kind of message even when we are in good terms.
Frank is a good man. Your husband is a good man.
I hear you. Thank you.
He's sorry, okay? He's sorry. Just look into the message and from another angle.
Happiness. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, you okay? Hey, darling, how you doing?
Fine.
Well, I got this for you.
Thank you.
Baby. I said I'm sorry.
Okay.
Babe, stop this. Aren't you going to check what's inside?
It's fine.
Babe, stop this. Come on now. I mean, this has lingered for too long. I'm sorry. I've been begging you for days now. I am so sorry. I know I hurt you. But it was just, I mean, come on. I was confused. And then my mom and things, but I never stopped loving you. I am sorry. I'm really sorry.
Okay.
You know, I know you very well. When you just want peace, it's just okay. Have you forgiven me?
Okay.
Did you get the money I sent you?
Thank you.
Baby, come on now. I said I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm sorry. It's still me. Baby, I'm prone to mistakes, and I mean, this one is one big mistake, but I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, you know what? I booked this very nice place, okay? This very nice restaurant, okay? I booked a table just for you and I, you know? And for me to tell you how sorry I am, and then I'll hear how much you have forgiven me. So this is what we're going to do, okay? We're going to go in stages. We start first of all by you dropping this. And then you're going to stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Don't say no now. Don't say no. And then you and I will go have a bath together. Yes, we'll go have a bath together. And then. Come on, man. Listen, you're the only person who can help me out of this mess, please.
Why do you expect me to do? I can't even bring myself to. No. Know
what I'm talking about. Come on, man. Look. I've been asking you for some time. Look, listen, I look out for you, okay? I mean, I've done stuff for you. Come on, this is the only time you can do this for me. Come on.
No, stop begging. I can't do it. No, now.
Brown.
No, now. Do you know what you're telling me to do?
Look, I'm telling you, do this for me.
No, I can't. No. Are you serious? What? What are you saying?
I know. Okay, my love. My baby. What? You know, I know this is your What do you want to ask me? Tell me. What?
Okay, so
Yeah.
I've been meaning to ask 2 questions.
Here we go again. Okay. Talk.
1. Where's the second wife? And 2, why is my husband nice all of a sudden?
Well, I'll say it again. There is no second wife, okay?
Why is that?
Must there be a reason?
Yes, because I was the victim. I should know.
Well, truth of the matter is this, okay? I love my wife. And, like they say, you don't know the value of what you have until you lose it.
Why are you going all Shakespeare and what's going on?
Look, what it is I love my wife, okay? I don't want to lose my wife. And if it means me going Shakespearean on you, why not?
Okay. I love you too.
And I love you too, baby.
I hope this is real, baby.
Of course it's real. Look, I'm always here for you and you're always in my heart.
And I'll be allowed to stay here?
Of course you live here. Always in my heart. And speaking of which, like I said, we're going to go out.
Really?
Of course I told you I booked somewhere. What are you talking about?
Where are we going to?
You see, the problem with you is that you're too intelligent and you're too inquisitive. But it's going to involve a very nice place, like I said. Nice ambience, beautiful wonderful people around, lovely food, excellent, exquisite champagne, and which means you have to go and take a bath, and then we go out.
Okay.
All right, my baby. Woo! Tell me something I don't know. Look at my toys shaking. My baby. Where were they when God chose me?
How do I look?
Of course, one of 40. So, just keep going. Wow, you look so good.
Thank you.
Baby.
Happiness.
Welcome.
Happiness.
Ma?
Please take this bag and this one upstairs, okay? No, this one. Okay. Where's my husband?
He's upstairs.
Well, I'm actually here.
Hi, baby.
Isn't that my beautiful wife? My baby wife. How you doing, mommy? My love. How you doing?
I'm fine.
What's up, Kate? You good? Good? Nice. Okay, did you get everything you wanted? The shopping went good? Nice. Well, I'm about going out myself right now.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to get something too. Now, do you want something? No, you know what? Don't say what you want because it could be very expensive. That's okay. I know what to get you. Love you, man.
Love you. Happiness!
Ma!
Happiness!
Ma, I'm still going up.
Happiness!
Ma!
What did you say?
I said I'm still going up.
I want water.
I'm coming.
And this happiness, happiness.
No, just happiness. Just come on, body for two of us. Happiness!
Happiness? Happiness!
Yes, ma'am.
Please come.
Okay.
Alright, my boy, come. Happiness will take you to eat, okay? That's my kitty. Please take him inside and right? Okay. And please don't over. Alright? Okay. Alright, baby.
Bro, you know what? I need to show this woman that we can be useful in the kitchen as well.
I'm telling you.
Honestly.
Guys, did I tell you all that there was a time Brown and I were not speaking to each other?
Very good.
He just had one plate himself which he would wash and reuse.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You don't say for how long?
7 months? Yeah.
No, but to be fair, I didn't feel too bad. You know, because I was eating outside on a regular. And I was thinking about the impression that, you know, I was hungry.
What? Why would you do that?
Well, to make you feel important. And to make you feel like your food dependency on you was working. So, hey.
Everybody likes to feel important.
Exactly.
Exactly. Women like to feel so important, really.
That's the men. Especially the men.
Well, that's the flip side of the coin, really. Really.
What's the difference? I mean, women love for real. But men, Fake. Everything they do is fake.
Oh.
Exactly. True.
Well,
Okay.
hold on. Is that the reason why Ella practices skepticism anytime I try to be romantic and nice?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, I have to be skeptical because I don't know the shege banza he will show me.
Shut up. This is what I do. Women are always very afraid. This is what I keep saying.
We are not.
You are like this one. This is
We are very careful.
No,
Careful.
no, you're afraid.
Careful.
You're not going to win this fight.
Win what?
No, I just admitted it.
No, seriously.
Guys.
Careful.
But we're winning.
Careful.
You know what?
Yeah.
Careful.
That's how
Not
they lost
afraid.
this
Yes.
one.
Public serene, whatever.
Yes.
Careful.
We won.
You didn't
Careful.
win, though.
Not afraid.
But we
Yes.
won.
No, but you just said.
We're not winning. No.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
We're not.
Careful.
Yeah,
You're
that's how you
bullying me
win.
into
No,
silence.
it's okay.
Careful.
We are right.
Yeah. No. Trust me. Everything's good. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Trust me. Listen, the point of consensus is that we have it done on Monday and everything's good. Trust me. All right, man. Okay, man. I'll get back to you, okay? All right, sharp. All right. Hey.
Hey, Frank.
Hi.
I just want to have a little chit chat with you. You have a minute?
Man, I got a month.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just want to apologize about the way I spoke to you in our house. I'm so sorry.
That's fine. I'm not petty. That's fine.
Frank, come on.
Oh, seriously, I'm not petty. I mean, I'm serious. I'm not petty. I mean, it's been like, what, 8 months now? Come on.
Yeah, I know that, but I haven't made time to say sorry, and I'm sorry.
Look. Let me tell you the truth, okay? You actually, gave me the push. Trust me when I say you gave me the push. I mean, you gave me the push to find means of, getting a son. And of course, I've been able to devise a strategy of getting a son. So everything's good. Everything's fine.
Really? I don't understand. What strategy?
Well, the strategy that defies barrenness and impotence. So everything's good.
Okay, now someone hasn't actually forgiven me. I am sorry, Frank.
No, trust me, I've forgiven you. I've forgiven you, really. You worry too much, really.
Sure?
I'm sure.
Friend?
Of course, friends. Friends, I'll give you a hug on top of that, okay?
I know you are. And when I said, bring something for you. Oh my
So how does it feel to be pregnant?
It's a better experience than being told.
What do you mean?
I mean, haven't you seen pregnant men before?
I wish I haven't. So how's the baby? Kicking?
Kicking fine.
Oh, I hope he looks like me.
Brown, why would my son leave his father and look like you?
Oh, well, I think because I'm his father's closest friend. And closer to his father than his siblings. So.
Okay. My son will look like his father. Thank you.
That's fine. I just hope he has my ears though.
Let's go outside. I think they both have the same sense of humor.
Oh, they do?
Mm-hmm. He made me laugh all through today, even when Kate was around.
He did?
Mm-hmm. He said he wanted our baby to look like him. Can you imagine? Isn't that funny?
He said that? He said that?
Yes, baby. But he was joking, I believe.
I don't understand. What kind of joke is that? I mean, his wife didn't find it funny when I made a joke about his son not looking like him. So what kind of joke is that?
What do you mean? What happened? When?
You know what? It's all in the past now. Okay? It's all in the past. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay.
Babe, are you not going to hold me again?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Are you sure you are okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine, darling. Let's just sleep.
You like?
Mm-hmm.
Someone said that they bumped into you at the baby shop.
I spoke to Kemi.
Yep.
I knew it was harsh. Thank you for big mouth shut.
Come on, babe. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not that deep.
Yeah.
She just said she saw you getting some baby stuff.
Yeah. Anyway, I was at the supermarket and I saw some baby things. I thought it would be nice to get them for Frank and Ella's baby. So.
For the baby unborn?
Does it even matter?
What exactly did you go to the baby shop to do?
To buy baby things.
Yet
Obviously.
you stumbled on them?
Why are you questioning me?
Brown, because I don't understand anymore. You go week after week at the baby shop getting stuff for Ella and Frank's baby. Yes, I can't even count one day you've gotten something for your own son.
Okay. So what's with the comparison now?
What is going on?
Nothing. I just thought it's been so long, so I wanted to get their baby something.
It's just 2 years.
2 years of fire and brimstone from Frank's mom. That thing almost ended their marriage.
But if you ask me, you're doing too much. You should slow down.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Just keep going, okay? You look like a penguin right now, so just, yes, no. Let me teach you how to walk. So you're going to walk like yes.
Okay, like this.
No, come on now. This pregnancy has come with swag. What's your problem?
There's no swag.
What do you mean? Keep it going. Just keep it going.
Babe.
What's that? Yes,
Babe.
Let's go. You finally spotted me, so that's fine. Okay, now just sit down and then I'll see you there.
Wait, we have to talk about that baby shower.
Yeah. That skipped my mind, yeah. So how much do you want?
No, I don't need money.
You don't need money, I don't understand. You don't want the baby shower no more?
I want it, but Dr. Brown came here and he gave me some money for the baby shower.
You did that?
Yes. Is something wrong?
But why would he give you money? I mean, that's a lot of money.
I thought so too. That's a lot of money. I used to think Dr. Brown was weird, but now I think he's just being kind. After everything we went through before getting pregnant, I think he's just being very, very, very nice. Baby. Babe.
Yeah. That's fine. It's okay. When I get back, we'll talk. Okay, you just take care of yourself and the baby. Okay?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. Bye.
Honestly, if I was your husband, I would suspect something.
Suspect what?
That guy is creepy. He's so creepy.
He's not creepy. He's just kind. He's just being kind. That's all.
Kind.
Yes.
To who? You. A pregnant woman.
Okay, Kate, tell me. What would he possibly want from a pregnant woman?
Exactly. He's going to want everything from you because after you're done, you're not going to be pregnant forever, are you? Kate. Yes?
He's just being kind at heart. He's just a kind person. A pure-hearted person.
Blessed are those with a pure heart, for they will see God.
Exactly.
And he's going to see God down there, Abby.
Stop being ridiculous.
What?
Look, there's nothing here, okay? Just let it go. The conversation is weird already.
It's okay. I'll let it lie.
Look, sometimes people are attracted when good things happen to other people. It's just like Frank and I and this baby, okay?
I hope he's going to reciprocate that same good energy to Frank.
That's gay. Kids, why would he even say that? Why would he reciprocate that kind of kindness to a man? You know what? Can we just switch to something else? Because this conversation is weird.
It's okay. I'll let it lie. I'll let it lie. Okay. Just like he's going to let you lie.
You don't deserve this. Thank you.
Thank you, ma. You like it? Thank you.
Hey.
Dr. Brown. Hi.
I'm good. How are you?
Please, join me.
Thank you. Thank you. Where's your husband?
He's not back yet.
Oh, okay.
Happiness! Happiness!
Yes, ma'am.
Please, come and serve Dr. Brown.
I'm okay.
You should.
Yeah, I'm fine.
It's really good.
No, I'm good. I'm serious. I'm serious. Hello, that's fine.
Please serve Dr.
Oh.
Let me serve you some.
Okay. All right.
Good. So, how was work?
It was good. It was good. You? How's the baby? Kicking, huh?
Kicking well.
Taking all your medications. Antenatal.
Happiness.
Sorry, sir.
Easy.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
My hand is shaking.
Please don't listen to her.
Anyway, you're taking the medication and everything.
Yes, I am.
And all is well with that.
Baby's fine. I am fine.
I'm more concerned about it.
Why are you concerned? Little Brown, please.
Like I told you. Anyway, don't worry. I wanted to say something, but it's fine.
Say it.
No.
Say it.
No, I'm just waiting to see you, baby. That's all.
So you have your ears. Oh, hi, honey. Welcome.
Hey.
Dr. Brown just got here.
Hey, bro. Hey, Rowdy.
How you doing?
What's up, man?
I'm alright.
Good?
Yeah, I'm chilling, man.
Yeah. Hi, how are you?
Come and join us, babe.
No. I'm fine. I'm actually full.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bro, really?
No, I'm fine. I'm good. I just need to go upstairs and have a bath.
Okay.
Are you sure? Are you good?
Bro.
Dude, I'm good. I just need to take
Okay,
a bath.
yeah,
okay?
sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's eat.
Yeah. Can you get me cutlery, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good.
Let's eat.
Yeah, sure. Of course. Can I have some water?
Happiness, water, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Baby?
Yeah.
I notice you're not comfortable with Dr. Brown around me.
Who says so?
I see your face whenever he's talking to me or whenever you see both of us together.
Well, the question is, why is he so attached to you?
How would I know? He's your friend. Why don't you ask him?
I'm not the one he's attached to.
But baby, you of all people ought to know that.
You know what?
Baby, he's happy for us. I believe that's the only reason why he's attached to me and the baby. Yes. No one believed, even Dr. Brown, no one believed this would ever be possible. This child will come. Babe. Yes, you missed. And it was beautiful. I wish you were here.
Oh, send pictures and videos.
I will. I'm gonna send pictures and I'm gonna send videos to you. So, how was the presentation?
Excellent. I seem to be having an upper hand.
Good. I know you're gonna make us proud. So, good luck.
I hope so too, my best friend. Bye-bye.
I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hey, Brown.
Yay, that was Kate?
Yes, she traveled for a presentation.
Oh, okay. The baby shower is beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And thank you. Thank you.
For what?
For the money.
Oh. Okay. You're welcome anyway. Can't wait to finally meet the beautiful baby. He's gonna have my ears and my eyes.
He's going to have his father's.
Okay. We'll see. I'll remind you.
I'll remind you too.
We'll see.
I'm watching you too.
We'll see. Yeah. Please.
Oh,
easy. Yeah.
Thank you.
Easy, yeah?
Oh, have you had something?
Yeah, it was good. I mean,
So how have you been?
I'm fine, I'm fine. She said I'm very tired.
Yeah, I noticed that from your face. Sorry.
How have you been? How's the baby?
Fine, I guess.
I know it's very stressful. I'm not imagining.
The baby is awake and is crying.
sorry, the door was open.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
Hi, Dr. Brown.
Hi, Kate. I got this for the baby.
You did?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I don't suppose Frank is home, is he?
No, he's not back yet.
Alright.
But you can wait for him.
No, that's fine. I'll go. I just can't drop this off. Right?
Okay. Please, I need to see the
It's
baby.
fine. Take care of yourself.
Alright. Yeah.
Come on, darling, don't look at me like that. I know you want Daddy to go off, but I can skip. Hey, babe, where are you going?
There's an emergency. I need to be there.
Emergency?
Yeah.
Wait, I thought you were on break.
Yes, but this means my presence.
I was actually thinking you could help Jimmy
I'll be
with his
back.
assignment.
I'll be back.
Emergency? What could that be? Jamel.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, fine. How about we just wait for Daddy to come back?
Yes, Mom.
Right? Now, can I get a smile from you? That's my boy.
Thank you so much, Dr. Brown.
It's
Thank
okay.
you for your timely intervention. I don't know what I would have done.
It's fine. Baby is, he'll be fine. It was just a fever, that's all. Alright?
My husband's numbers have been switched off. Have you been able to reach him?
No, maybe it's network. I'm sure there's no problem. Anyway, I have to go now. Okay?
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you.
Don't forget to take him back to the hospital tomorrow. Okay?
I thought you were on leave.
Yeah, I am, but there'll be somebody there. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Brown.
It's okay. It's alright.
Thank
Alright,
you.
see you. Huh?
You too. Bye.
Bye, baby.
Bye.
How did the emergency? How did it go?
Oh, yeah, Val. I forgot to tell you when I got back earlier. Ella's son was ill, so yeah.
I knew it.
No,
God!
No, wait, calm down. The boy was ill. It was very bad, though. And they called me. What should I have said? I should have said no to her.
That's not what I'm saying, Brown. All I'm saying is that you're always too sweet whenever they call. You're always too fast to give attention than you even do to your own son.
No,
Why?
Babe, that's not it. Now, this guy, listen, the boy was very ill. He was convulsing.
Okay.
What was I supposed to do, my friend? His phones were not reachable. And Ella called me. I went there in the capacity of their family doctor.
And what else?
I don't know. What do you mean, what else?
You tell me.
I don't understand. What are you insinuating now? Huh?
Brown, what is going on? Where are you going? Why? Did you just say I'm nagging?
Yeah.
All because I asked the question.
You're nagging.
Oh, really? Now I'm nagging.
Yeah.
Now you're calling me a nag.
Yes, sir.
Brown, come back here. Brown!
Yes. He's doing better. Thank you. Well, my husband, he just got back a while ago. He's okay. Yes. Thank you very much. Okay. Bye. What? Hey, baby. That was,
Brown.
Yes, he was calling to check on the baby.
And he did ask you the same question 3 times consecutively.
Baby, that's what doctors do. They call to check in on their patients. It's called a routine check. Is everything okay? Babe. Babe. Wow. What is it? Why are you cranky? What?
Oh my days.
Do not touch me.
Hey. What's going on? Huh?
This is not the first. Neither is it the second. It's happening. Yet I never wanted to go vocal, hoping that one day you would change. But no. You are still one of those dirty dogs in the streets.
What on earth are you talking about?
You go from one hotel to another, spending with different women, whoring with them. Why?
Nonsense. What do you mean I go from hotel to hotel and spend time with different women? What were you talking about?
Okay. Where are you coming from?
What's this nonsense?
Answer me, you bastard! Where are you coming from?
Where else would I be coming from? Coming from the hospital. What is this?
Oh my God, hospital.
Yes.
It's the hospital. A hotel where you whore with different women. The same hospital, right?
What nonsense are you saying now, babe? Come on, what's going on? Huh?
This is the hospital, right?
Hey, okay, wait. Wait, babe.
Don't.
No, please, listen.
No.
Listen.
No, not even a word.
I'm sorry.
I don't want to hear any trash you have to say. I don't want to hear it. Alright? You can go frolic with so many women. I don't care. At least maybe one of them can have a child for you.
What do you mean by that now? Come on.
What do I mean by that? You are the doctor here, so you should be able to explain.
Wait.
I said, don't you dare touch me! Get out.
Where are you?
Hey man, what are you playing, man? Score this thing now! Hey, bro! What's up, man?
Good.
Man, can you imagine these guys? I don't understand. I mean, okay, can you imagine what these guys are playing today?
Hey, dude. What's up, man? Everything good?
Is Ella home?
No, she's not. Hey, man. She went to the market. What is this?
It's a DNA result. DNA test result says Jamal is not my child.
What? What?
There's the damn result.
Oh my god. Is this a joke or something? Oh my god. Bro.
phone now. Babe!
Yes?
Babe, come now. Come, let's go. We're going to be late.
I'm coming.
Let's go, please. Let's go.
Huh?
Yeah? Hey. Yeah, Bram.
Where the hell are you going, Frank?
Bram, is something...
No, stay on this. Frank, where are you going? You're a bad man, you know.
Hey, man. Hey, listen up. You know what? Let's just go outside and talk, okay? Come on.
Where the hell do you want us to talk? What the hell do you want us to talk about? I told you, Frank. I told you my wife cheated on me and she got pregnant for another man and you're asking us to go out and talk? What do you want to talk about?
Wait. So has he cheated on you?
Hey, man, what are you playing, man? Score this thing now. Hey, bro. What's up, man?
Good.
Man, can you imagine these guys? I don't understand. I mean, okay, can you imagine what these guys are playing today? Hey, dude. What's up, man? Everything good?
Is Ella home?
No, she's not. Hey, man. She went to the market. What is this?
It's a DNA result. DNA test result says Jamal is not my child.
What? What?
Stares at the damn result.
Oh my god. Is this a joke or something? Oh my god. Bro.
So Jamal is not your son?
I told your husband yesterday. Now he wants to take you away.
I don't understand. What's that supposed to mean? What's that supposed to mean? I mean, what does our trip have to do with you and your issues?
Ask your husband.
Maybe they should ask you.
You cheap thing.
Yep.
Can somebody please explain to me what is going on?
I'll tell you what's going on, Ella. I'll tell you. I got you pregnant. Frank made you drunk that night when you went out together. After he apologized, he brought me back here to sleep with you so you can get pregnant. What?
Frank.
What?
Babe, just calm down, okay? Calm down. We'll talk about this, okay? What's wrong with you, man? What's wrong with you? What's all this? What are you talking about?
What you have me do? My wife got pregnant for another man. You want me to be the loser?
Guys! There is no cause for alarm, okay? Frank, you don't have anything to worry about. Your son Jamal is older than his son. Surprise! I love the faces.
Yes. This is not funny. Stop it. Stop this joke. It's not funny.
Frank, tell them about you and I already.
What are you starting?
Tell them about you and I already.
Seriously, what are you starting? What are you trying to do? Is everything a joke to you?
Guys. Frank and I had a thing. I got pregnant. He asked me to abort it and I told him I did. but I did not because I wanted a baby. But I've always had a thing for medical doctors. So it was so easy for me to put it all on him, Brown. That's his story.
What are you even saying? No, how simple is this? What are you even saying?
Wait, Helen. You're married to Brown and you're still sleeping with Frank?
No, baby. No, that's not it. I've always known Frank a very long time before he got married to you. And before I got married to Brown.
Do you even know the gravity of what you have done?
There is no gravity whatsoever, Ella. It's so simple. Okay, I never wanted these cheats. I mean, these cheap cheats to have my son. Like I said earlier, I've always had a thing for medical doctors, so I was desperate and I had to keep the son. But I just found out that he would keep on being the dog that he is. He would never change. So what will I do? I had to spill everything all out. And I don't care where it leads. Like I said, darling, it is so simple. Jamil is Frank's son. Ella's baby is Brown's son. Easy peasy. So, what's he gonna be? Swap deal. Swap deal? No one is talking to me. No one is talking to me. Obviously swap deal. That's the story, guys. The end.